Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect MongoDB to N8N. Step 1. Open your N8N dashboard and click Create Workflow. Step 2. Click the plus button and add a MongoDB node from the node list. Step 3. Click on Credentials, then Create New, then select Connection String or Values. Step 4. If you used connection string, paste your URI and database name. Step 5. If you used values mode, enter host, port, database, username, and password manually. Step 6. Choose your desired operation such as find, insert, update, or delete. Step 7. Enter the collection name and any query parameters as needed. Step 8. Click Execute Node to test the connection and view results. Step 9. Once it works, connect this node to other nodes for your full workflow automation. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.